Copy by the Bay, brewed for study, a perfect spot to focus. A spot inside the campus where every cup creates conversation and connection. Let me introduce to you our team, the CEO and founder, Ms. Magsibok and Ms. Ray, the operation manager, Mr. Husi, the head barista, Mr. Alporha, the finance manager, Mr. Elieba, and the marketing manager, Mr. Bersola.
The Coffee by the Bay current situation are lack of visibility and awareness. The cafe location near the lake makes it hard to find or to recognize by the potential customer. Menu offering. Menu option may feel repetitive with no seasonal or special items to create excitement. Poor digital marketing. The Cafe by the Bay has a low social media presence that is not helpful to attract customers as well as to market the cafe. Here's are the 12-month strategies to market the Cafe by the Bay. January. We'll start the year strong by introducing a new set of signature coffee and pastries. To keep customer coming back, we'll launch a loyalty program where customer get a stamp for every purchase and after 5 stamp, they get a free drink. We'll promote this launch with high quality photos and videos on social media and will distribute flyers around the campus to spread the word. The loyalty card will encourage students to visit often. February. For February, we'll have a Valentine's Day theme menu with special drinks and pastries. We'll also hold a Love Your Coffee, an event where customers can create and name their own drinks. We'll promote the menu and even though social media and flyers. Customer will encourage to post their drink creation on social media using our hashtags to win prizes. This will create excitement and attract more customer. And for March, we'll partner the campus influencer to promote their favorite drinks and bring attention to the cafe. The influencer will post about their drinks on social media and customer who mention the influencer's name at the cafe will earn extra loyalty card. This will boost our online presence and attract their followers. April. To welcome summer, we'll introduce refreshing drinks like smoothies and iced coffees and hold a best coffee photo contest to boost engagement. Customer will be encouraged to post photos of their drinks, tag our cafe, and share on social media to win free drinks. We'll share their photos on our accounts to build excitement and attract more customers. In May, we'll run targeted Google Ads and social media ads to reach more customers online. We'll focus on keywords like best coffee near campus and morning coffee deals. Customer who place order through these ads will also earn loyalty card stamps to encourage more purchases. June. Since June is vacation, we'll focus on online orders to keep serving student and nearby staff. We'll promote our online ordering system through social media. Customers will earn a free drink after 3 online orders to encourage more purchases.
July. In July, we'll offering morning delivery services for customers who are still nearby. We'll promote this service using social media and flyers. Delivery will be free for the first week and customer will earn loyalty card points for every delivery order. August. During August, we will keep in touch with customer by promoting special deals for returning students when the school reopens. We'll build excitement through social media teasers sharing sneak peeks of upcoming promos like discounted bundles or free loyalty card points for early customers. September. To celebrate the start of the new school year, we'll offer a free cookie with every coffee purchase during the first week. We'll promote this offer through social media, posters, and flyers around campus. We'll also share photos and videos of students enjoying their cookies to create a buzz. October. In October, we'll host a Halloween costume party and launch a special Halloween theme, drinks, and pastries. We'll announce the event on social media and invite customers to join. We'll post highlights from the party on Instagram stories and Facebook events to attract more people. November. For Foundation Day, we'll participate by offering special promotions and free samples to introduce our cafe to more students. We'll set up a booth during the event, give out samples of our drinks, and hand out loyalty cards to the first-time customers. We'll also post about the event and special offers on social media. December. To close the year, we'll launch a holiday menu with the seasonal drinks and pastries and promote gift cards as holiday presents. We'll advertise the menu and gift cards on social media and through flyers. Customers who buy 500 pesos worth of gift cards will get a free drink. We'll also host a simple year-end party to celebrate with our loyal customers. In 12 months, the exact strategies are customers' engagement, promotions, and marketing tactics. The market. The cafe is located inside the campus, which is surrounded by the students, faculty, and staff. The target audience, students. Those who are seeking relaxation while studying and people who are interested in trending food and beverages. Faculty and staff, who is seeking relaxation after a long tiring day and for casual talk or meeting. Campus visitors, alumni and parents who attended meetings that are seeking a place to relax. Unique selling proposition. Location. Accessible for students, faculty, and staff if they want to have a cup of coffee and to relax. Community. Cafe by the Bay provides exceptional communication for both students and faculty who want to do their tasks or work with a perfect scenery with perfect food and drinks. Experience. To provide an unforgettable experience and a perfect spot to focus with all of the work tasks, a cafe that helps to unwind. Cafe by the Bay will serve as a campus cafe, fostering community and connection through events, limited time menus, and special offers for students to enjoy great coffee.
Coffee by the Bay competitors are the existing cafeterias. This includes the campus canteen that also provides affordable products and is accessible for student and faculty. Nearby cafe, outdoor establishment targeting students seeking relaxation, unwinding, and study can offer affordable products and budget-friendly pricing. Nearby street vendors. Vendors outside the campus can easily target students with their affordable prices. So to get the attention of our target audience, the cafe provide unique products offering. The cafe focuses on offering unique products such as signature coffee to differentiate itself in the competitive market outside the campus and maintain customer loyalty. Customer engagement and personal experience. Personalized experience makes the coffee stand out among their competitors, such as building trust and provide their needs and wants to always choose the cafe. Implementing this can easily target the audience. To improve the cafe service, here's is the funding requirements. Product development, 60,000 pesos. This is for the signature menu, testing for new menu and seasonal products. Marketing materials and advertising, 50,000. For the flyers, loyalty cards and gifts for the customer and promotional campaign. Event hosting special promotion, 70,000. Cost for the demands event, loyalty, program, decoration, and prices. Digital marketing, 30,000. For influencer collaboration, content creation, and partnership with the delivery platforms. Customer incentives and freebies. Cost per giveaways, readings, and discount, 25,000. With a total amount of 235,000. Here is our team contact information. This is not just pitching a cafe. We're here to offer and share our insight for a great opportunity to the cafe's success. Let us be part of the cafe's excellent service with great quality of food and beverages, beautiful atmosphere, and unforgettable experience. And to have a great connection of each customer, let this vision turn into reality for the cafe's success. Thank you.